How is the moon made? The answer is more explosive and cosmic than you might expect. Discover the fiery collision that gave birth to Earth's only natural satellite. Scientists widely accept that the moon was created when a Mars-sized object, often called Theia, crashed into the early Earth. This colossal impact blasted huge amounts of debris into orbit. Over time, this rubble clumped together under gravity, eventually forming the moon. This event shaped not only the moon but also Earth's rotation and tilt, influencing our planet's seasons and climate. Analysis of moon rocks brought back by astronauts shows that the moon's composition is strikingly similar to Earth's outer layers, like the crust and mantle. This similarity supports the giant impact theory because it suggests the moon originated from Earth's debris rather than being a captured object from elsewhere in the solar system. This helps explain why the moon lacks a large iron core. After the collision, the debris orbiting Earth gradually clumped together within a few million years. The moon's surface was once molten, creating a magma ocean that cooled and solidified. This early history explains the moon's unique surface features, like its vast basalt plains and cratered highlands, giving us clues about the violent beginnings of our solar system. So the moon you see glowing in the night sky is the result of a giant cosmic smash billions of years ago. This incredible origin story links the moon intimately to Earth's own history. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep exploring the wonders around you.